Jefferies Brent Thill joins us this morning as a buy rating on the name with a $400 target. Brent, it's good to have you. 40 plus bucks in just a couple of weeks. What do you think's happened?
I think the success around AI, the excitement is a huge driver coming out for Microsoft. It's one of the best product cycles that we've seen at the company for a long time. You have to go back to Azure to look at that cycle, what that created. I think the stability of the core business, the quality of this management team is exceptional. It's the best management team in software, with no question. As we've said, there's the two co-pilots you want to fly with are Amy Hood and Satya Nadella. So we think, a combination of the product cycle, pricing power. One executive that's at a very large company told me they effectively doubled our price for our office seats going forward. When you think about what that means, it's incredibly generative to their revenue into the next year. And they've said that they can do this AI without really damaging their core margins. So you have an accelerating revenue growth story, sustaining 10+% top line on a $200 billion plus run rate, with margins that aren't flying out of the sky because of all the investments they're making, so they can recoup this. And then the combination of their durable, diverse model, which is from infrastructure applications to productivity tools. It's hard to get off the story because of the quality in every nook and cranny of the business.
Yeah, it's interesting. Of course, it was the announcement of the pricing back in July that marked the high for the stock. We've now filled that gap. How durable is your target, do you think? And does momentum take over?
We have a $400 price target, but you're looking at a company that's going to generate $15 of earnings power, and you keep a 30 multiple on that, you're at $450 on stock. And then right now, no one really knows exactly what the AI movement's going to do. Microsoft has said this repeatedly. They're not exactly sure what's going to happen. And so there are a lot of bullish scenarios where you can generate, between $30 to $50 billion of incremental value in these new products. And again, it's way too early to make this call, but all the what ifs, just in one product line, which is Office, we can get to $15 to $20 billion of incremental revenue in one area. Remember, all the big pillars are going to have an AI co-pilot, which they're going to charge more. Security, Azure, applications, Office. I mean, this is, and again, remember, if you look at these big tectonic shifts in tech, there's one vendor that really captures the most of it. And NVIDIA caught that in semis. We think Microsoft's going to capture this in software. Remember, software hasn't captured it yet because all these services aren't fully live. Less than 50% of Microsoft's AI services are live. But as we go to 24, they're all live. And that's going to create a huge...
24 is around the corner. So what data points are you going to be looking at to judge whether they are making the progress you expect they will when it comes to these generative AI products, obviously led by Copilot?
Well, right now we're starting to get early evidence of big companies committing to this. Initially on AI, we thought it'd be a small out of the gate, everyone would take baby steps. We're hearing major companies taking massive steps, 10 to 20,000 seat count deployments. That was not originally in our model. The ROI studies we still have yet to get fully, but I think time back and productivity gained in your day has been the common theme. So the things we're looking for are just the feedback from the customers that are now implementing these products. Again, all this has been canned demos. All this has been in PowerPoint, if you will. And now we're into, okay, we're live in the field. So now we're in the field talking to customers. Our own firm, Jefferies, is deploying this in a little bit. Hasn't fully rolled out. We're not getting all the seats we want. We're getting idle. So there are many companies today that want this service that can't get it. And so that's another example of, I think, right now, the demand is outstripping the supply, and that's a good thing for Microsoft.